Very good evening to all of you. So this is 46th day where I will be showing you how my system performed. Now we opened a gap up of close to 30 points, and then there was a very swift fall, all right, of like 55 points from open. Now you can see the time here. It's 11 o'clock where the end marker is selected, and so it took almost close to 2 hours, sorry, 3 hours to reach this bottom of 55 points. Okay, so it was a very smooth day for almost all the sellers, but except for a few points. I'll come to that in some time. Okay, so till this time, what happened was almost all the trades, like the theta trades, were in profit, and the delta trades that were taken in this region were in profit till here. But the delta trades that were taken, somewhere here and, on the peak and somewhere like here again in the bottom. So all of this actually, hit both the call as well as the put stop losses. Call, put, both were gone here. Call and put, both were gone here. And finally, yeah, I wanted you to tell about this particular spike that we had. Okay, so you see um, how much is the width of this candle, right? It's only 14 points. Okay, so let me show you the chart of one of the option that I had um, already decided to tell you now. All right, so might have to enter the password. So sorry, 28299. Okay, so till the time it's so yeah, so this candle I'll come back to. It's only it's only 14.5 points or 0.07 percentage. Okay, but I'll show you how the options reacted here. Okay, and then this end move final, this end move came, which was a huge one, considering that the Finnifty open premium was only 70 points. All right, and this half an hour move of the this last half an hour move was itself, close to 90 points. Now, uh, all my positions were, till this time, all my positions were such that if market, it closed, like it went just like five more candles of 5 minutes and closed in this range only, I would have come out with the max profit. But unfortunately, markets are random, and so is the PNL. So today I booked 8,000 rupees, that is 0.4% on my total capital. Okay, so I think the website kite is open now. Now let's just go ahead and select the strike 19,350 put. Okay, so 19,350 Finnifty, today's expiry, put. So obviously this has expired at zero, but I wanted to show you something very interesting here. Okay, so even this is a 5 minutes chart, and even this is a 5 minutes chart. Now, as I have told that this candle was only how many points? 14.5 points and 0.07%. But let's do something. Let's measure even this candle from open till the peak. Okay, so you see this percentage, right? What is the percentage here? It's 129% or 7.39 rupee. Now, by the time this Finnifty was at 19,400, the 19350 put delta would have been even like lesser than 0.5, right? Because it was out of the money, like 50 points out of the money. So technically, for a move of 14 points, this option should have moved less than 7 points, like, 4 or 5 or something, 4 or 5 points. But there was a huge spike here, and from 5 it went directly till 13. Now, this 13 was not even at the market open. Okay, it went as high as, the previous day closing price. Now, any short straddle that would have been, placed here or anywhere that you want, if you are keeping the options based stop loss, almost all of them without any freak protection and all, so almost all of them would have, got killed in this particular spike. And suppose let me show you another example. So 19500 call. Okay, so 19500, wait, 19500 Finnifty call. Okay, so even this closed at yeah, so even this closed at 0.5 because it was out of the money. Now, considering that all the puts are gone here, so you have taken, like, close to 4 to 5 points in the stop loss, and you see this brutal thing which happened here. Now, when the prices, when you have sold at something like, something like 10 or something, okay, and you have already gained almost close to, it fell down to almost 0.5. Now, after falling to 0.5 with this freak move, okay, this 19500 was breached here, okay, and what happened to this option price? It went from 0.5 to 5. All right. So many of them who would have activated the trailing or something, some stuff like that, they would have got kicked in this particular candle. And ultimately, what happened in the next 15 minutes, it closed at 0. So that is how I wanted to explain you, like, what is the importance of, avoiding these freaks in your trade. Like, what happened when what happens, when this was the particular range for the day, right? And at this candle was, it looked like it was breaking the day's low. So many put buyers are flocking at this time, and many writers are also willing to sell because there is a spike. So you have to design your system in such a way that you get rid of these spikes. Now, it is not like it is 100% not possible. It's like it always comes with some probability. But yes, you can actually find your own edge here, and just make sure that you don't get caught in these particular spikes. So tomorrow is the Wednesday, so tomorrow again I'll be trading all the three indexes. Even today I traded all the three indexes. Now, Nifty was a wild animal today. It actually fell by close to 0.5%, and then it rose up 0.5%. So almost 1% down and 1%, sorry, 0.5% down and 5% up. So 1% swing was there from day high to day low. Okay, and from day high to day low, and then again from day low to day high. So that's 1% I'm considering. And Bank Nifty was again, it's like the little sibling of sorry, it's the bigger sibling of Finnifty. So even the behavior of this was a little bit choppy kind of thing, but considering that it's Bank Nifty, and so we can give a little more room for the volatility. All right, so I think I'm done here. So let me just come back tomorrow and explain you how my trades went. And yeah, until tomorrow, take care of yourself. Bye bye.